Pedestrian hybrid beacon is a form of traffic control that can be used for areas that have high pedestrian traffic.
All right, buddy, your turn.
So we use them to help pedestrians and cyclists get across the road.
When drivers approach the intersection and it's dark, they may proceed at designated speed. But once a pedestrian activates the signal, the light will first flash yellow to tell drivers to slow down. Then it turns solid yellow, followed by solid red to tell drivers to stop, to allow pedestrians to cross. Then it will flash red to tell drivers to stop and check for pedestrians crossing before proceeding through the intersection.
Be a little bit more alert to watch pedestrians. A lot of times we have them at schools, so you're going to have smaller kids, and make sure you're paying attention and stopping when they're crossing the road there.
Pedestrians activate the signal with the push of a button.
Wait to cross Court Road at Hay River Trail. Wait.
Then they follow the signal sign to cross the street.
We always encourage pedestrians to make sure all the cars are stopped and even try to make eye contact so you make sure that they've seen you.
For more on pedestrian hybrid beacons, go to friscotexas.gov/school zone safety.